Santekatte, a remote place near Bantwal, is a place that perhaps not many are familiar with. But St. Patrick's Higher Primary School of this region has been a center of attraction of late, putting Santekatte on a global map. Hard as it may seem to believe, a group of students from Holland have been staying here for quite some time now and practically working for the construction of the school building. From filtering sand to cementing bricks in the walls, these zealous Dutch are working alongside the local masons in addition to funding thousands of rupees for the construction themselves. They belong to an organization called the World Servants of Netherlands that considers social service and service to mankind as its prime objective. The modus operandi and the approach of the organization is similar to the National Service Scheme or the NSS that we have in our country. The contingent comprising of 38 members came down to India on July 4th and has been working incessantly for the school since then. Their discipline and hard work truly needs to be lauded. Apart from a 2-hour lunch break, there is not a single minute that they spend on anything other than work. Mildred Sequeira, the headmistress of St. Patrick's Higher Primary School, who has been keenly following the developments, is all praise for the foreign volunteers.
ಹಾಲೆಂಡ್ ದೇಶದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನೇ ಉಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮಜೀವಿಗಳು, ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಅನೇಕ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೈಕೆಲಸ, ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಿರೀಟ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪದ್ಯ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕುಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಚೆಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾತ್ರ ಭಾಳ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರಂತೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಅಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಅವರು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ ತನಕ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ತಂಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧತೆ, ಕ್ಲಪ್ತತೆ, ಶ್ರಮಜೀವಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಂತೋಷಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
The local masons too have been having a good time in the company of these energetic Dutch. What you see here reinforces the fact that when people have a common goal and the hunger to achieve it, the difference between cultures doesn't really seem to be a barrier.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಕರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಒಡನಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಭಾಷೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಎಣಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ NSS ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ದೋಸೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬೀಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಟಾಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುವುದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎತ್ತು ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
The working conditions are truly demanding, but the ever-enthusiastic Dutch group works hard against all odds. And what drives them forward is the feeling of universal brotherhood and the desire to serve mankind.
Namaskara! Hegedia? We are fine.
First, the weather. It's hot and a lot of rain. In Holland, it's normally a hot day is 30 degrees, and we have not so many hot days. And here is every day above the 30 degrees and a lot of rain. So this is for us heavy to work in that temperature. The materials in Holland are not so heavy. We use smaller stones and smaller, by instance the cement bags are in Holland 20 kilo and here 50 kilo. And that's the reason is that our builders have to build long, and when they use so heavy materials, the bag will damage or the knees will be damaged, so we use light materials. And if we have heavy materials, we use a lift or other tools to bring it up.
We're trying to build a future for the children here, and it's in the love of Christ. That's why we do it. Well, actually, in Holland we have a lot of rice, and every day we eat rice here. So we know the food, but it's very spicy, and that's we're not used to that. So, but it's very nice.
I like it. It's a very beautiful country. It's totally different than Holland. Holland is very flat and no beautiful trees and that kind of thing. So I like it. Sometimes it is a little bit spicy, but I like it. They can cook very nice. Yes, it is very warm, so you are very tired at the end of the day because we are working hard. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
It feels great. Yes, I love that I can do something for the children, and I like that really much. Yes.
First of all, I must admit that you are very tall and I am very short.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, that's true. We got a lot of different food, so it's for us it's very much the same here in India. It's every day it's rice, so yeah, that's different. It gives a great feeling to help other people. You know, in Holland we have enough, and we have school for everyone. So it gives a good feeling to build a school here, so that the children in India can also go to a good school.
What does service and social brotherhood mean to you?
I think it's very important, and it's also for us a job to do, that we care for each other as men. We are all children of God, and we should look out for each other and help each other when one is in need. So yeah, it means a lot to me. I think it's one of the purposes of life, to look out for the other.
You're gonna miss India when you leave this country?
Of course, I'm gonna miss India, because 3 weeks is not enough to learn the people and to learn enough about the country.
What are your experiences? What do you think you have learned from India?
Well, it's a learning when you see that other people have to live with less than you, and you appreciate your food more and your home, and you appreciate that you have a good education. So it will help you to remind that there are other places where people are in need, and from now on we will help all over the world, I think. So we also go to other countries. I've been to Brazil before, built houses there, and it puts you back to where you belong, and that's you must be humble and take care for each other.
Not just do they work hard all day, They enjoy their work as well.
We wilden niet, maar moesten wel. En Frank vergat al snel de tel. We gooiden alle remmen los. En bovendien wil niemand ons zo zien. Samen bouwen aan de toekomst. Een schoolje zien en klanten. Nou, dat is me pas wat, hè. Stenen sjouwen en maar doorgaan. Met Kees en Joke, 2 keer Erik, Sarah en Elisabeth. Stamp met je voeten op de grond, zwaai je armen in de lucht. Ga nu zitten met een zucht, stap nu rond als een band. Zo gaat de kabouterdans, zwaai je keer in het rond. Stamp met je voeten op de grond, zwaai je armen in de lucht. Ga nu zitten met een zucht, stap nu rond als een band. Zo gaat de kabouterdans. Who's the king of the sea? Blup, blup. Who's the king of the universe? And who's the king of me? Well, I say G-E-S-U-S. Yes, he's the king of me. He's the king of the universe, the jungle and the sea. Blup, blup. Op je plaats. Op je plaats. Armen. Ja, strek je armen.
Vuisten maken.
Vuisten maken.
Chichiwa.
Chichiwa, chichiwa, wa, wa. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa.
Op je plaats.
Op je plaats.
Strek je armen.
Strek je armen.
Vuisten maken.
Vuisten maken.
Duimen omhoog.
Duim omhoog. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa.
Op je plaats.
Op je plaats.
Strek je armen.
Strek je armen.
Vuisten maken.
Vuisten maken.
Duimen omhoog.
Duim omhoog.
Knieën naar binnen.
Knieën naar binnen. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa.
Op je plaats.
Op je plaats.
Strek je armen.
Strek je armen.
Vuisten maken.
Vuisten maken.
Duimen omhoog.
Duimen omhoog.
Knieën naar binnen.
Knieën naar binnen.
Schouders op.
Schouders op. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa.
Op je plaats.
Op je plaats.
Strek je armen.
Strek je armen.
Vuisten maken.
Vuisten maken.
Duimen omhoog.
Duimen omhoog.
Knieën naar binnen.
Knieën naar binnen.
Schouders op.
Schouders op.
En kont naar achter.
En kom naar achter. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa. Chichiwa, 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 wa, wa. Op je plaats. Strek je armen. Vuisten maken.
Duimen omhoog.
Duimen omhoog.
Knieën naar binnen.
Knieën naar binnen.
Schouders op.
Schouders op.
Kont naar achter.
Kont naar achter.
En tong naar buiten.
Tong naar buiten. Titira, 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 la, la. Titira, 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 la, la.
The European contingent spends quality time with the children studying in the school as well. They sit with them in their classrooms, play with them on the playground, sing and dance with them, and help them with reading, writing, drawing, etc. and make them comfortable. After the completion of their stint at the construction site in the evening, they go for house visits, trying to figure out the state of the village, the condition of the children, whether everyone is sent to school, and interact with the children. They are slated to leave India on 19th of July, and by their own admission, they are going to miss India a lot.
Working hard day in and day out in a foreign land far away from home, this Dutch group seems to be a picture of composure and dedication. Their gesture seems to be inspiring in the true sense of the term. In Bantwal, with cameraman Austin Pinto, Abrar Khan for TV Daijiworld.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Bangalore 842214158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.